Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The Best Grandbaby Cakes is probably one of the most delightful cookbooks you'll ever encounter. It's a celebration of Southern baking with a modern twist, filled with recipes that are both comforting and innovative. From classic cakes to unique creations, this cookbook offers a journey through delicious desserts that will satisfy any sweet tooth. Get ready to explore a world of flavors and techniques that will inspire you to bake your own masterpieces. Number 5. Snoop Dogg's Cookbook, Platinum Recipes from the Boss Dogg's Kitchen. This cookbook is a collection of platinum recipes from the kitchen of the Boss Dogg himself. It features soul food recipes and celebrity favorites. You'll find a variety of delicious dishes to enjoy. Step into Snoop Dogg's kitchen and discover his favorite recipes. This cookbook offers a unique glimpse into his culinary world. It's filled with flavorful dishes perfect for any occasion. Experience a celebrity cookbook with a soul food twist. This book combines the best of both worlds, offering a diverse range of recipes. It's a must-have for any food enthusiast. Inside, you'll find a variety of delicious recipes. From appetizers to desserts, there's something for everyone. It's a culinary journey you won't want to miss. Get ready to cook like the Boss Dogg. This cookbook provides easy-to-follow instructions and mouth-watering recipes. It's perfect for both novice and experienced cooks. What we like. This cookbook brings a unique celebrity perspective to the kitchen. It focuses on soul food recipes, offering a fresh take on classic dishes. If you are looking for a fun and flavorful cooking experience with a celebrity twist, you should consider it. What people say. There are so many great recipes in here. So many great recipes, and it is fun to read. From straight gangsta to 5-star, you'll find it all. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts. Even some drink recipes to get the party jumping. Number 4. Cake Decorating for Beginners, Step-by-Step Guide. Welcome to the world of cake decorating. This guide is designed for beginners, providing a step-by-step approach to help you create beautiful cakes. It's easy to follow, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. First, you need to prepare your cake. This involves leveling the layers and applying a crumb coat. This process ensures a smooth surface for your final decorations, and it's a crucial first step. Next, learn how to make and use buttercream. This versatile frosting is the foundation for many cake designs. With practice, you'll be able to create different textures and effects with it. Now, let's explore basic decorating techniques. From piping simple borders to creating rosettes, these skills will elevate your cake. It's fun and rewarding to see your cake transform. Finally, add the finishing touches. This includes adding sprinkles, edible glitter, or other decorations. These details bring your cake to life, making it a true masterpiece. With this guide, you'll be decorating cakes like a pro in no time. It's a fun and creative hobby that everyone can enjoy. So, grab your supplies and let's get started. What we like. This book provides step-by-step instructions for cake decorating. It's designed for beginners, making professional techniques accessible. If you are a beginner looking to learn the art of cake decorating, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great book for beginners. I love it. Lots to learn and make with directions. Easy to understand and tells everything you need to know. Has recipes for frostings and cakes. A great purchase. Simple to read and understand. Perfect for the novice decorator. Plenty of pictures and instructions. Number 3. Beginner's French Macarons, 30 shells and 30 fillings recipes. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of French macarons. This guide is perfect for beginners, offering easy-to-follow recipes. It will help you create these delicate treats at home. Inside, you'll discover foolproof recipes designed to ensure success. These recipes are crafted to guide you step by step. You'll be making perfect macarons in no time. This book provides a variety of options. With 30 shell recipes and 30 filling recipes, the possibilities are endless. You can mix and match to create your own unique macaron flavors. The instructions are clear and concise. Each recipe includes detailed steps and helpful tips. This makes the process enjoyable and stress-free. Get ready to impress your friends and family. This book will equip you with everything you need. It's your key to creating delicious and beautiful macarons. What we like. This book offers foolproof recipes for making French macarons. It includes 30 shell and filling pairings, making it easy to create delicious treats. If you like delicate and elegant desserts, this book is perfect for you. What people say. They loved how easy it was to follow and have become pros at making macarons. The recipes are easy to follow and the cookies turned out great. Now that I started using this book, my shells are full and have great flavor. Number 2. Martha Stewart Cake Perfection, Baking Book. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with Martha Stewart. This book is your guide to creating cake masterpieces. Inside, you'll discover over 100 recipes. From simple treats to stunning creations, it has something for every baker. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, it offers recipes for all skill levels. You will be able to create cakes that impress. This book is more than just a collection of recipes, it's a complete guide. It will help you perfect your baking skills. Get ready to create delicious and beautiful cakes. It's time to start your baking journey with this book. What we like. This cookbook offers over 100 cake recipes, ranging from simple to stunning creations. It showcases Martha Stewart's expertise in baking. If you are looking for a comprehensive collection of cake recipes from a trusted source, you should choose this one. What people say. Recipes are super delicious and very easy to make. Very helpful if you're a beginner like me. Cones with detailed instructions, particularly helpful if you're still learning. The recipes are creative and pretty and instructions are clear and easy to follow. Each recipe is nicely written and the steps are easy to follow. Number 1. The Good Book of Southern Baking. This book unveils the cherished recipes of the South. It's a revival of classic treats, offering a taste of tradition in every bite. From fluffy biscuits to decadent cakes and savory cornbread, this book covers it all. It provides detailed instructions and tips to master these Southern staples. The book takes you on a culinary journey through the heart of Southern baking. You'll learn the techniques and secrets passed down through generations. It's a celebration of the South's rich culinary heritage. This book helps you recreate the authentic flavors of biscuits, cakes, and cornbread. With this book, you can bring the warmth and comfort of Southern baking into your own kitchen. It's your guide to creating delicious, homemade treats. What we like. This book revives the tradition of Southern baking. It focuses on classic recipes like biscuits, cakes, and cornbread. If you have a passion for Southern cuisine and want to master these iconic dishes, you should consider it. What people say. Great recipes and clear directions and beautiful photographs of every recipe. I've made her galettes, cinnamon rolls, snickerdoodles, king cake and sweet potato cake. Every single one has blown me away. I like the fact there's techniques, equipment, and main ingredients in the front of the book. I have dogs, so I love that there's a dog recipe as well. It's growing on me more and more, this book. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.